How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, coming to you with another episode of Single Section Sunday, where every Sunday I showcase a particular single section home that we have available here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Sunday, I'm bringing to you the Drake. If you are currently in the market for a one-bedroom, one-bathroom home, and the tiny homes, again, are too tiny for you, you need something a little bit bigger, then I may have the one for you today, especially if you're looking for a home packed with character, with a ton of usual upgrades, but we're not even charging you for it. It's included in the price. This is the model right here, and it goes by the name of the Drake. It is 18 feet wide, 54 feet in length, including the 8-foot front porch. It's 782 square feet to be exact, and it's on sale today for $84K. $84,000 to the first person that calls me and asks about the Drake, and I am going to have the hotline blinging, so it is ready to go to the first person that calls me and is ready to go with the Drake here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And what's so great about this floor plan is it's packed with tons of features that everyone loves, starting here in the living area. You can see right here that we've got the built-in entertainment center. This is great because it's floating. It offers additional light up above with the natural light coming in from the transom windows, but it also offers space for your TV, and then you've got storage down below for all your controllers. You got all that down there so you can put that in out of sight, out of mind. You don't even notice that it's there, but it's great and efficient, and it looks good as well. But you can see in the 18 wide, we've got your front door right here, blinds and glass with another window up front, bringing in that natural light up front. We've got a whitewash wood beam going down the center. These ceilings are vaulted as well, and you'll also see that we've got the 3-blade nickel ceiling fan with white blades. Also, what do we love? Windows here at Recreational Resort Cottages, and we did not short you on any today in the Drake. You can see right here we got the picture windows with additional 3-window transom up above. So this whole side is bringing in all the natural light. So if you got a great view, this is going to be the side you want to face right here, because you can see everything that's going on your property. You can also see that you got an abundance of space for full-size furniture in this single section home. This is a great area to sit here and feel like you're living large, but also it's only 782 square feet. We just make it feel larger than life here at Recreational Resort Cottages. Now, if you come right in here, the open concept is the best part about the Drake, because it flows right from the living area into the kitchen. You'll also see here in the kitchen that we've got the laminate countertops here. We've got painted gray cabinets below. We went ahead with the black bar pools on here. We've got the stainless sink, 2-basin to be exact. And then we went ahead and went with the starter from the bottom. Now we here. Backsplash. We got the Arctic white subway tile backsplash going there from the countertop up to the cabinet. So you got that right there as well. And we again added some accents here on the side for the whitewash wood to match the whitewashed wood beam. We also got your stainless steel appliances in here, bringing that lovely characteristic to this home. Remember, I told you that it was packed with a ton of standard features. The only upgrades for the most part in this home is the appliances. And that's because we upgraded to stainless from the standard black. So if you like black appliances, you're getting it for an even better price than what I'm offering today. So this home is great, guys. You've also got the chrome vent hood right here. You've got additional whitewash pine up there going up to accent the top of your vent hood. Don't let me forget that you got the island right here centered in the middle. What's so great about it is you've got storage down below, and then what's this right here? Trash storage. So you can even hide that young moolah, baby. You put that right there as well. You've also got an abundance of countertop space right here on your island. You've got your ceiling fan up above. You got additional space for your stools right here as well. And guys, this is even a great floor plan because not only do you got the island, you got a space right here to the side that you can easily accommodate another small dining table and have even more seating in the Drake. Now, right over here in the Drake, you can see that we've got another entry, another door right here off to the side. So if you're on the side of the property, easy access to come in, and then it leads right here into the built-ins that we've got right here. Speaking of built-ins, we got the built-in stainless steel microwave. And then you've got additional storage up top and below. And then we kept the Arctic White subway tile going again right here in this section. This is a great area for a coffee bar, your blenders. You can put your flowers, everything like that up here. And then we've got the open shelves with, again, that whitewashed wood to accent the beam that we got going on here. And then we got the area right here with your little light. We get the hotline bling going right here in the Drake. And then you can sit here and pull out the additional drawers as well. And guys, this is packed. You can see all this character that we've got added in the Drake. 84K, you can't beat it, guys. And then I know what you're saying, Mr. Tiny, but I also need a pantry. Oh my gosh, did we do it in the Drake? Another one. We got one right here for you. 3 shelves right here, and you know it's real wood. If I got to do that in there to show you, it's real wood. 3 shelves in there for you, so you can put all your canned goods and your groceries and everything as well. We've also got the built-in storages here. Going up, we got storage everywhere in this home. Also, we got the section for your stackable washing machine and dryer. We have additional storage up above. We got the nice cabinet cover here to match. This is going to be your electrical panel box right there as well. It's a 200 amp service for the electricians out there. You know, got to tell you that as well. And you come on back and you can see here, this is going to be the bedroom. You can see as well the 1 bedroom, 1 bath. Look. You can't put baby in the corner. You can't put Miss Tiny in the corner either, but you got the space that you can have right in here for a king size, queen size, whatever size bed that you need. Also, you can see right here, we got the barn doors on your closets on each side. We've got the built-in dresser, 4 drawer right here, additional space right here that you can fit a small TV, something like a 24 inch, 30 inch, something right like that right here in the center. And then come along, you've also got space right here if you want to mount a TV as well. We looked out for you in several places here in the Drake. Also, look at this. Woo-hoo. You got this area right here. We've got the additional drawers down below. We got the painted gray cabinets continuously right here. And then we also got the rolling glass shower right here. You see right here, we got the rain shower head right here as well. So you can sit there, get washed up real nice. We've also got the tile shower here in a horizontal pattern. We went ahead and went with the tan grout in here as well to complement the tile that we got here. It is a great option. You can just roll that right on back, guys. And don't that look elegant and beautiful? You see right here. And again, you know, we're giving you a lot of storage in the Drake. Boom. 3-door linen. You want to find a place for that trash can in your bathroom? Boom, right here, and nobody even knows it's there. Tucked out of the way, never seen it, nice and neat. And then you come on back through, and look, when you come back into the Drake, this is crazy how much space that you got in here. This is 782 square feet in a 1 bedroom, 1 bath. You can't beat this layout. It's functional, it's efficient, for someone looking for a 1 bed, 1 bath, and you need just a little bit more space, but not too much. Now keep in mind, I told you it had an 8-foot front porch earlier. Let's go out there and check that out real quick and show you what we got. You come out here, you can see we've got the composite decking on the front porch for you here. It's in a brown, and then you've got the green exterior base here as well with white trim. Guys, you've also got the Galvalume accent on the porch ceiling. We've got it wired and braced for a ceiling fan in the center, 2 can lights, and then you've also got rebar railing in black going around. And we've sat here and painted the post green to match everything that we need. Now come back in and look, if you had guests come over to the Drake for the first time, whoo, Woo! I'm telling you, this is going to be it if you are currently in the market for a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. This is the model that you're going to want to come and get. Again, this model is 18 feet wide, 54 feet in length, including that 8-foot front porch, and it's on sale today. First person that hits me up for $84K, $84,000, and you're getting everything you see today in the Drake, the Drizzy, the Drake. We got it right here for you. Also, I want to thank you for tuning in to another Single Section Sunday with me, Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons. Remember to like the video, show me the support. That way we continuously get these homes out there. These videos will continue to spread so people can see how they can get into a quality built, affordable house. Also, comment, leave me a comment. Let me know what your favorite feature of the Drake was. Leave your own Drake comment if you want. Also, subscribe. If you're subscribed, like you should be, then you are part of the family. If you're not subscribed, you better hurry up before you get left behind. Also, if you want to connect with me, you want to talk to me about the Drake, then go over to my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram at @TheMrTiny, at TheMrTiny, and you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the Drake as well as many other models that I featured here on the YouTube channel right off of my Instagram, making it very convenient to contact me. I'm not hidden behind all these automated numbers, etc. You can contact me directly. DM me, comment, and get in touch with me directly if you're interested in purchasing this home. Also, thank you guys. Thank you for showing your support. Thank you for watching another Single Section Sunday, and I'll see you next Single Section Sunday.